Anyway, let me some of the commands I was using here inside Emacs. Control K. What Control K does is delete from cursor to end of line. Then we had Control Y. And this again, it's in the documentation, is paste from clipboard. One other control, escape. So now when any of these things in Square, this whole thing, escape means the escape key. So you press the escape key and you do %, and it starts the process for global replace. Okay. So when it starts, remember, escape %, you type in what you want to change, and then you put what you want it to change to. So it kind of does the prompt. One other thing that you might like, Control X, and then there's no, to take your hand, when you do Control X, take your hand off the control and then just type 2, and that splits the screen vertically. And once you've got the screen split vertically, Control O moves from one screen to next. So let me demonstrate. Well, just tell you what I'm doing. So I have Emacs shape.cpp. So I'm going to try Control X2, and you see I get I get split screen, and then Control X O will go from one screen to the one to the next. Okay, so that's just doing Control XO. It was Control X2 to split the screen. If I do Control X1, or sorry, Control X1, it brings me back to a single screen. So Control X will split the screen 1, 2, 3. I can do Control X3 if I wanted. Oh, there's vertical. There was someone who was asking. Someone was asking yesterday how you do vertical. On Frontera, Control X3 will give you a vertical split. Again, it's just Control XO to go between the two screens.
How we can specify the second screen, the file that will be shown in the second screen?
Well, you don't. When you do Control X2, say, it shows you the exact same file. So then you do Control XO and then Control XF. Control X, Control F will load a file. So here I do shape.cpp.
Got it.
Okay, so Control X, Control F will load a file. And that is, it's all on the, if you go to our webpage on the TAC about Emacs commands, you'll find them there. But remember, Control K will delete the, so if I'm here, and if I do Control K, say I'm right here, and I do Control K, I will lose the rest of that line. And then Control Y just pastes it in. So I can do Control Y, right? And then fix it up. If I want to delete these lines, it's Control K, Control K. Okay, Control Y, paste them back in. Control K deletes anything. Anything else?